Kev G with a weather overview, and we have our first significant snowfall of the season, especially towards the coast, and that is going to happen primarily on Saturday afternoon through about early Sunday before it pulls away. This video is only really going to deal with this particular event, and watch for future videos concerning next week's weather. And I think if you tuned in for the last one, you won't be surprised that cold is here to stay across the region. But this is our first significant snowfall of the calendar winter year. And this reminds me a lot of December 5th, 6th, 2002 for two reasons. Number one, I think that we're going to see very similar amounts to that event, which was basically a 3 to 6 or a 4 to 8 inch snowfall, particularly for the coast. If you're away from the coast, it's not going to be that big of a deal. And the other reason is that this is going to be the earliest December snowfall since that date, if my memory serves me correct, which I believe it does. In the following year, December 2003, we had a bigger snowfall. That was on the order of 6 to 12 inches. I don't think it's going to get that high for much of the region. I think this is more of a 3 to 6, 4 to 8 inch type snowfall, and the primary impact is on Saturday into Saturday night. So we'll take a look at the NAM model, and we're fine and dandy through about early Saturday morning. I think anything that falls before 10, 11 o'clock on Saturday morning is primarily in the form of very light snow or even like rain. I think that we need the low pressure center to be closer to us and for it to be snowing harder for us to get into any sort of measurable snowfall. So here we are by about 10 a.m. on Saturday morning, and snow starts to get going along the coast. And I think as the day progresses, the harder the snow falls, we will get into a more moderate to occasionally heavy snow. And this will last a good part of the day, and then it'll start to clear out by late Saturday night. So here we are by about Sunday morning. This is around 7 a.m. Sunday morning. I don't think the snow is going to last that long. I think this is basically a 8 to 12 hour period of snow, and I think generally speaking it's a 3 to 6 inch snowfall. Everybody south and east of I-95. North and west of I-95, I think it's more of a 2 to 4 inch snowfall, and then when you get up to like Orange County and points north, I think it's even less than that. So be prepared for the first significant snowfall of the season. I don't think it's going to be a blockbuster storm, but I think it's going to be one where roads are going to have to be treated. It's going to be slippery travel, and this will take up much of Saturday. Thankfully, it's not happening on a weekday for a lot of people. But needless to say, if you're a winter weather lover, get ready to rejoice, because Saturday we have snow on the way, especially towards the coast.